So the problem is we need to save some time. We are having smartphones for that. We are saving so much time using our smartphone. When we are having a smartphone in our hand, then why not having a smart lock for your home? In this video, we are going to see what are the things they have given. We are going to see the complete unboxing, and then we are going to see how to install it. I'm going to install it in a metal door. So metal door, how to install it, the fixing, and also how it functions. That is the most important thing. Actually, when you are purchasing a smart lock, it should be smart. What is smart? Being smart is saving time. So whichever thing is saving your time, is reducing your time, so that is very smart. And today we are going to see such a kind of lock, and let's find out how smart it is and is it worth the money. Let's see a complete review of that after installing it. So let's begin. They are given like this. It is so big, good with this lock. It has they have given a keychain for the lock. Actually, two keychains. Let's find out for what this they have given. So they have given the tools. Actually, it is like more than what I thought. So this is the lock which is going to be visible in the front. It's really good. The quality is really good. So this is a part of a lock, as you know. This is normal. Tools. This is going to connect inside and outside. The keys. We have got 3 keys. Actually, this smart lock has 6 ways to open the door, and key is one of them. This is the normal thing we are having it, and other 5 things are going to be very interesting, including fingerprints. We are having this rubber, maybe for tightening it. Let's see how it is going to work. And so that's it. The unboxing is over. Let's fix it and find out how smart it is in the door. Put it down.
So far, we have seen the positives in these smart locks. What are the positives? We have seen fingerprints, we have seen passcode, we have seen mobile unlocking, and also we have seen RFID, that is the keychain unlocking, and also there is OTP options, etc. So these options are very useful, and these are the positives. Let's talk about the negatives now. What are the negatives? The only negative thing I found in these smart locks are the batteries. So the particular lock I have purchased, we have to use A size battery, 4 numbers, and the only positive thing in the battery is that it shows the percentage that is having. So smart locks some 10 years ago, there won't be any indication whether the battery is low or we have sufficient battery. We have to frequently change it without our knowledge. The plus thing is, in the app it shows that this is 50%, it has charge, it has 90% charge of that particular battery. A6 batteries we have used in this, and I think it will long only for some 3 months or 4 months. So each time you have to change the batteries, and it's going to cost you something. And some smart locks are coming with directly to the plug-in current. So those smart locks, when there is no current, you have to use UPS. If there is no UPS, so there is no meaning in having smart lock in your home. So batteries part is, I think it can be improved. That is the only negative thing I have found. So these smart locks can be used in wooden doors normally. So I have installed in a metal door. So by seeing this video, you will be coming to a conclusion whether to have smart lock in your home or not. Because nowadays we have a front gate made of metal, not of wood. Because wood is not supporting to the weather conditions and it is not long lasting. So we have changed it to metal doors. In every new construction, if you see, there is metal door in your house. So I hope this video is useful for you. Share it to the persons who are wanting it and in need of it, so that they can decide whether to buy this or not. Thank you for watching.